How did 190 ton of premium coal simply vanish on the road? Police recently arrested 4 drivers. This scam was a massive risk. It damages the reputations of thousands of honest drivers. High quality coal was loaded at the port, but by the time it reached the delivery point, it was nothing but ash. How did 190 ton of premium coal simply vanish on the road? This was not just a theft, it was a clever scientific scam. Police recently arrested 4 drivers, Sudhagar, Ayyappan, Manimaran, Maidin. They were supposed to move coal from Ennore Port to the power plant in Tiruvallur. Instead, they diverted their trucks near the Chennai Outer Ring Road to execute their plan. Between December 30th and January 4th, these drivers offloaded the high-graded coal. To hide the crime, they mixed the leftovers with fly ash and low-graded coal. Their goal was simple, to match the weight on the scales so no one would get doubt. They fooled the weighbridge, but they could not fool the lab test. The original coal had an energy value of 3000 kilocalories, which is a powerful coal. But the delivered load tested is barely 100 kilocalories, which is nothing more than useless ash. You can't generate electricity with ash. This scam was a massive risk that could shut down the entire power plant. If the company had not run those lab tests, this crime might never have been caught. This case reminds us that the transport industry runs on trust. When a few people commit such crimes, it damages the reputations of thousands of honest drivers. What is the best way to stop this transportation fraud? Comment your thoughts below.